How to fix Etsy app login error. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are using the latest version of the application. To check, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Etsy. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device. Now tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Etsy app and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. And if your issue is still not fixed, try to delete the app and reinstall the app again. To delete, go to your home screen and tap hold on the Etsy application. You will see the Remove App option. Tap on that and then tap on the Delete App option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on Delete again and then go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Etsy and reinstall the app again. Wait for the download to complete, and once completed, launch the application and use the application further, and your Etsy app should be working just fine by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.